In this video, we're going to discuss the idea of increasing and decreasing. So remember that calculus is the study of change, and one simple way to describe how something is changing if it's going up or down. And that's basically what increasing and decreasing will be. And here's the definition. All right, a function is increasing if f of b is bigger than f of a, whatever b is greater than a. So if we think about what that looks like on a graph, if b, our x values, b is bigger than a, b is on the right, and a is on the left. And then if f of a is less than f of b, that means f of a is lower than f of b. Think about if we're starting at the A point and going to the B point, we'd be going in the upward direction. So increasing just means your graph is going upward. Decreasing, you probably already guess. Again, B is greater than A, so B is on the right. But now f of B is less than f of A, so f of B is lower than f of A for our y values. And if you go from the B point, or sorry, the A point to the B point, you can see we're going in the downward direction. So anytime our graph is kind of going upward, we're increasing. Anytime our function is going downward, we're decreasing. So for right now, we're just going to look at a graph and figure out where it's increasing and decreasing. So when I start out, my pen is going upward as I trace along my graph. So this is all increasing. And when I get to the top of this peak here, I start making a downturn. So everything in blue here, I'm decreasing, so I have to draw downward. And then I make another turn and I start going back upward. Right, so where's my graph increasing? It's increasing in these green sections, which are from -infinity up to where the top of that turn happens. Let's just say it's -2. It's not exactly -2, but it's close enough. And then from the bottom of that other one, okay, let's just round a bit and say it's 1 up to infinity. All right, we'll put the little u, the union between them to make it one answer. All right, our increasing kind of to the left there and to the right. And we're decreasing in that blue section, which starts at -2 and goes to 1. All right, so that's simple, just the definition for now. Increasing, decreasing. If you're going upward, you're increasing. Going downward, you're decreasing. All right, so here's the one for you to try on your own. Similar graph, but it's just straight lines, but it's the same idea. If you're going up, you're increasing. Going down, decreasing. So figure out these intervals. All right, and I'll show you the answer in 3, 2, 1. You should get intervals like this. All right, you're increasing on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, and you're decreasing in the middle. All right, so if you just think about what direction your graph's going, upward or downward, you know if you're increasing or decreasing. All right, in the future, we're going to do this process without a graph, so we're just given some function or expression. We'll be able to determine when it's increasing and decreasing. All right, for this video, just keep that definition in mind. If your graph is going in the upward direction, it's increasing, downward, decreasing. All right, and that's exactly what I just said. So that's a summary for this whole video, just knowing that difference between increasing and decreasing for a function.